Alright, y'all. It's early. But we're gonna put you on this mini vlog because I got lots of stuff to do today. So let's go. Feet, white toes for the hoes, colored nails for the gals. Okay. Time for lunch. I'm gonna try one of these refresher things that they have here now. Can you see it right there in the window? Okay, so I got the mango citrus one. Let's see. Oh, that's good. It's even like mango and orange. Let's go to the next location. Gotta go pick up a package from Amazon Locker. Next step on the list. Okay, so I'm done getting waxed. Now I'm back home about to pack this here suitcase because I'm off to Miami tomorrow. Peace. Thanks for joining my little mini vlog. Maybe I'll try and do more of these. We'll see. Peace.